If you guys want to see how I made this strawberry and beetroot drink, you just continue to watch this video. Absolutely refreshing. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some strawberry and some beetroot juice. So this is my strawberry and that's my beetroot, and I also have ginger, lemon and lime and sugar. This is granulated sugar. I add my beetroots and my strawberry and my ginger to my blender. So now I'm gonna add some water. I'm not gonna add a lot because I'm not doing a lot. That should be fine. So now I'm gonna blend up my juice now. So my juice has blended and this is what it looks like. Look at that color, guys. It looks so rich. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna strain it now. So here I have a strainer. So now I'm gonna transfer my juice to my strainer. And if you want your juice to come through real quick, you can always get a spoon and just stir it and it come right through, because it can take a long patience. So I'm gonna strain it for at least 3 times because you want it to be smooth. So this is my first time. So this is gonna be my second time. It is flowing right through. I'm gonna strain it at least 3 times. So my juice is strained and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is smooth and this is exactly how you want it. So now I'm gonna squeeze my lime and my lemon through my strainer, because you want that to strain. You don't want the bits from the lemon and the lime to get in your juice. This juice is gonna be so good, guys. It's gonna be so refreshing and so tasty. So now that I add my lime and my lemon, I'm gonna add my sugar. Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna give it a taste now. That is perfect, guys. That is perfect. You just need some ice and that's it. It's good to go. You just sweeten it to your liking. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the glass. So this is what my juice looks in the glass. Guys, it looking so refreshing. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.